Hey YouTube, littleweirdguy here for another LootCrate unboxing. If you've been watching these unboxing videos, you know what to do. There's a link down below where you can subscribe to all these geeky goodies. Anyway, let's get on with it. Let's see what's in the box. This month's theme is Rewind, so I'm guessing there's a lot of retro stuff in here. Let's have a look what we got. First of all, t-shirt. Oh, another cool t-shirt. Large or mixture large? Oh, I'm a fatty. Anyway, Voltron Line Force. Man, this is cool. I actually had die-cast Line Force model. They're toys, yeah. So you know if you remember the big plastic one, it was much bigger, but this one is die-cast. It's smaller, but it's actually modeled off the actual anime and cartoons. Yeah, not like this. If you remember the ones, the big plastic ones, the legs actually didn't fold in. This one's actually, yeah, trying to think of words. Yeah, folded in like how they did on the anime, other than just big sticks that just went down, and they actually didn't have the like it as. Okay, I'm rambling. Let's cut it out. Rambles. Anyway, next we got 8-bit sunnies. Oh, awesome. Alright, this is cool. And a LootCrate too. LootCrate branded. Next one, as always, the badge. And we got here Black Tie Geek. Ooh, let's see. Space Invaders. You can open it up. How do you open this up? Oh, here we go. Up. It's a tie. Right, a ski tie. It was nice. Little Space Invaders. You can see. Let's see. You can zoom. Sorry. There you go. You can see the design. Pretty cool. Alright. What we got? Ooh. It's an analog Nintendo LootCrate exclusive. What is this? Fire Hunt. What? Is this? Okay. Do not share out of order. Do not smuggle. Do not cancel. So, I guess this is just a toy, isn't it? Wait, well, we got more stuff in here. Should actually read what it is. Nintendo figures are toys. Alright, not toys, all packaging. Okay. Now I'll see what it is. Okay. Put these together. I can. Is it right from the... And there we go. Let's see. There's a little guy, cartridge man. Your little eyes there. It's just so cool. Does it make you focus? Are you gonna focus on me? Focus. No, you don't want to focus on me? Yeah, okay. Let's see what we got here. Comic to note. Ooh. Let's see what we got. Let's open it up and see what it... Yeah. So, it's just pretty much basically a notebook with comic panels, so I can design my own comics. And it's actually got stencils for speech bubbles. That is cool. Although, yeah, See, we can basically just like rip this out, put this in, say, do my own little comic. Yay! Let's see what we need. Oh, this is cool. Another cool thing. Got to love LootCrate. And what else we got? Okay, as always, the magazine. Say what it is. We got a classic controller, just like it's my phone case. Yay! Love this phone case. Lasts me. It's pretty tough as well. So, and this is a mega crate you can win. It's got the Voltron, Lion Force, a similar one to one I had. Yeah. Well, it's worth $218.95 US, so that's pretty big. Okay, and what do we have here? Ooh. Star Wars comic by Marvel. #1 variant edition, LootCrate exclusive. Ooh, there you go, Han and Chewie. Can't speak. And if you look closely here, we can zoom in properly. Is it tuning? No. You can zoom in. No focus. Anyway, yeah. Basically here, there's all loot crates. That's pretty cool. Now, let's have a look. Okay, cool. The actual loot crate itself, if I can do it right. It looks like it turns into actual retro NES controller console. I can't speak today. I'm too late. I'm just tired. I've been working all day, so that's my excuse. Anyway, yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Let's turn this around. Let's make this thing 88 miles per hour. Nice. So I guess you just basically have to reverse the makers of this case. And we're going to whip. And yep. Come on, get in. Get in. 1, 2, slide in. There we go. LootCrate Nintendo. Oh, nice. Got slimed. Rad dude. The nunchucks. Oh man. Okay, that's it. Okay, and as always, catch you next time.